Hello mga Inday. Welcome back. Umuwi na kami sa bahay. Yan, dito na kami sa bahay. So for today's video, we're going to watch the football. It's a professional football in Seattle. So stay tuned. It's heavy raining outside right now. Good things it's not snowing, but we are full of gear right now for the hockey. Football.
Seattle Seahawks.
Seattle Seahawks football, but I'm not wearing my Seattle Seahawks football. It's because it's a jersey. It's a little bit cold, but I have t-shirt Seahawks, not jersey. I should wear those.
T-shirt's too light.
Okay. So I have this warmer. Okay, stay tuned. We're walking now. We just came from the parking lot. We park yung sasakyan namin. Pupunta kami sa train station. Kasi mag-train lang kami galing sa parking na pinarkingan namin. Kasi mas easy kasi pag mag-train kami papunta doon sa games sa stadium. Train station ng dito. Train station. San Transit. Ano ba yung ticket? Ticket here. So we're gonna purchase our ticket. How much? So, regional perimeter one. Rating $12. So, yeah, to insert the credit card. We use the credit card. And I'm gonna have the ticket. There you go. Yes. So, gonna go to link. You know what? Okay. Andito na kami sa loob ng train. So first time na mo nga nagsumakay ng train. First time sumakay namin ng train dito sa itong train na ito actually. Pero pag yung international train from Canada to US, nakasakay na kami. Pero itong train na to, bagong bukas lang kasi. Kaya first time namin. Ito 10 minutes. So, this is the last terminus. So, we ride on. Pupunta na kami ng Linwood to downtown. So, kung nasaan yung professional football game. Say hi to them.
Oh. No adventure for me.
Yeah, no adventure. So, ang train ngayon, madaghang tao, maraming tao. Busy. Kasi lahat ng nakasakay dito ay pupunta sa games. Kasi mas mura kasi mag-train kaysa parking, magbayad ng parking. Tapos pareho lang din, lalakad ka galing sa parkingan papuntang stadium na kung saan naglalaro. Malayo ang lalakarin mo. Samantalang kapag mag-train ka, pag nakapark na yung car doon sa pinarkingan namin, libre. Tapos lahat dito, libre ang parking dito sa nakasakay dito. So, pag nag-train, mura lang din. Tapos ng train station to stadium, saglit lang ang lakad. Umalis na kami. Punta na kami. First time. First time namin itong train na ito. We're the 12. 12. So crazy. A lot of people. Look at that. So people. Daming tao.
At the stadium. What happened? Somebody? Lion got him.
Thank you. Ang daming tao. Punong-puno. Kalsada. Umuulan pa. Sobrang lamig. Pero nag-dinner na kami for pumunta.
Oh, keep it going, Steve! Oh, Steve! Oh, yeah! Woo! All right, go to your car! Workers as well!
Ang daming tao nanonood ng Seahawks. Ang daming tao. Ang Seahawks kasi is a winter team sa US. Sa Canada naman ay hockey. Ang daming tao. Almost kasi yung Kings ay malapit nang matapos. Kaya nandito lahat. Malamig. Pero sa loob ng katawan ko mainit. Sobrang lamig kasi open area. Sobrang hangin. Kasi nga open field. Ganon kasaya ka Satya pag nagpaano ng yung parang bayang Maguire sa Pilipinas sa US. Ang saya-saya. Thank you for watching!